So field engineers looks at clients' problems, and then we'll come up with various solutions. And we tend to look at a problem from different angles, and we will put that out to the team and let the team come up with different solutions, and then we'll use our experiences from various areas to come up with unique solutions to solve the client's problems.
So at Field, we're not afraid to use the latest technology on the market.
We have and operate 2 laser scanners and 2 laser trackers. A lot of clients don't understand the capabilities of these. Using those, we're able to both collect data on site in regional areas and perform measurements, metrology, alignments, QA, that sort of thing on site.
Results in the field that usually has to be taken off site to be processed. We can now do that in the field and provide results straight to our clients straight away.
Using the new lasers, it does allow us to complete work more efficiently. There is a safety benefit as well in reducing height of works, etc. So we often come up with a concept or a way of doing it using our laser equipment, which is maybe better than what they're doing currently. And we offer that to them through the results, and the positive results they keep returning.